Welcome back, camping enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to be checking out the best camping knife that you can buy today. Choosing the best camping knife for your next trip can be a confusing business. There are literally thousands of different shapes, sizes, and styles on the market. However, the camping knife is a highly versatile and exceedingly useful tool, so it pays to take the time to invest in a good one. Our team of camping experts have spent hours researching and testing camping knives. These are listed in order based on performance, quality, and price, and there is an option for every type of camper. So if you're looking for the best camping knife, we'll have the product for you in this list. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which are in your budget range. Now, let's get on with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Victorinox Swiss Army Multi-Tool Spirit X. Victorinox has made multi-tools for over a century in the form of the ever-recognizable Swiss Army knife. However, it is only recently that they chose to go head-to-head with the pliers-based multi-tool category inventor Leatherman. As the underdog, Victorinox delivers a super polished product, reminiscent of both classic Swiss Army knives and contemporary pliers-based multi-tools. Overall, the Swiss tool is very well made, but the category-leading Leatherman tools are just a little better, according to our test team. The pros are, it's polished and looks good, it's multifunctional, and it's smooth. However, it's heavy, and there are no external bit options. It is a super polished product, whose panache is likely unnecessary and perhaps detracts from some practicality. Not to mention that the sophistication in the Spirit comes at a premium price. And at number 4 is the Gerber Geared Gator Folding Knife. The Gerber Gator uses complex thermoplastics disguised as alligator skin. Overall, this knife delivers a surprisingly durable yet ultimately comfortable handle. The Gerber Gator sports a hollow ground clip point blade made from 420 HC stainless steel. It's a wonderful steel if you don't mind sharpening your knife after a few weeks. It has an excellent alligator skin style texture, which combined with its rubbery construction gives one superb grip. Regardless of whether I'm doing soft or heavy cuts, the handle stays comfortable in my hand. Just like you would expect, the lockback is as strong, sturdy, and reliable as you would expect from any heavy-duty folder. When it comes straight down to performance, the Gator excels in two different areas: penetration and slicing. The pros are, it has fantastic ergonomics. It's uniquely satisfying deployment. It's very well made, and has a strong lockback. However, it's too big and bulky for a pocket knife. The Gerber Gator's been popular on the market for a long time, and for good reason. This is a fantastic little knife that will do you well. The third product on our list is the Morakniv Garberg Full Tang Fixed Blade Knife. Unlike most of the Morakniv knives, the Garberg has a ricasso and a nicely radiused Scandi plunge line. With the Garberg being intended as a hard-use knife, the handle material is not just any plastic, it is a specially chosen extra rugged polyamide. The Full Tang is exposed at the butt, allowing for maximum strength in hammering without damaging the handle. This sharp-edged spine extends the entire length to the tip. Immediately obvious, it is the Garberg's symmetrical handle. This is not an accident. The Garberg's handle has been specifically designed to allow it to be held in a forward or reverse grip for greater versatility. Throughout the heavy workout our testers gave the Garberg, there was no evidence of edge chipping or rolling, so it looks like Morakniv have got the hardness and toughness just right. I'm happy to give this a hard time, much more so than the half-tang models. The pros are, it has a full tang, making this knife really robust. The 3.2mm blade stock gives it very high strength. It's great for wood processing. And the symmetrical handle allows for a variety of grips. However, the thick blade is less suited to fine work and food preparation, and the leather sheath flap slows down resheathing. The Morakniv Garberg is an outstanding knife that is remarkably simple. If you want something more subtle than the ultra-aggressive knives you find in American manufacturing, then the Garberg might be for you. It's quite light, very ergonomic, and provides you with a very capable knife for a wide variety of tasks. Remember that we have the links in the description for all the products mentioned on this list, so don't forget to check them out. And at number 2 on the list is the Barebones number 6 Field Fixed Knife. Traditional in design, each number 6 Field Fixed Knife features a 6-inch high-carbon steel blade, a thumb to press for comfortable handling, a walnut handle that's rich in texture and character, and a waxed canvas sheath, boasting a fine copper accent for timeless appeal. Additionally, an included belt loop ensures this sleek blade is always at the ready when you need it, whether it be foraging food, building a fire, or setting up a shelter for the night. A simple but beautifully crafted blade, this knife radiates competence. A practical size 146 mm fixed blade in high carbon steel with a decent point, full tang, and a thumb depression make for a highly usable package without unnecessary frills. That said, there's lots of visual pleasure on offer in the shape of the high-end walnut handle and copper lanyard ring, the latter adding a touch of color and a utilitarian yet timeless design cue. Last but by no means least, a solid waxed canvas and leather sheath protects the blade from both the elements and the edge from dulling, as well as providing a belt clip for cowboy-style head carry. In short, the Barebones No 6-Field knife is a reliable companion for all species of outdoor adventure. The pros are, it's simple but effective. It looks great with beautiful fittings, and it's really high quality. However, it's not as comfortable for long use as others on the list. The Barebones No. 6-Field knife is a sleek, good-looking knife that's super high quality and will last you for years as your trusty camping knife. The best camping knife is the LEATHERMAN Surge. The LEATHERMAN Surge is heavy and large. With that additional mass and bulk, you get excellent functions and tools that work very well in action. Between uses, though, the Surge is difficult to carry around. Over 3/4 of a pound is a lot in your pocket or backpack or purse. This is for your base camp toolkit or the glove box of your car. The Surge is what you choose for maximum functionality in a portable package. This is the tool for frequent users and those that can carry the mass and bulk with little penalty. We like all the features and the carefully thought out ergonomics. The Surge is nearly a full-function tool that is sort of portable. The pros are, it's large for a multi-tool. It has excellent construction. The full-size functions are great, and it's customizable. However, it's heavy and large. If you are after a camping knife that can do everything, then there is simply no better option than the LEATHERMAN Surge. Although it's on the heavier side, that's the price you pay to have everything in your pocket. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.